Let's go for analyzing a knuckle joint. For this, let us choose static structural analysis. Let us double click our static structural. Here, let us choose our model, which is our knuckle joint model. Let us import that and let us verify the model accordingly. So go to geometry, right click, select import browse, choose the model. So I have knuckle joint assembly model. Let us select that. Now let us go to model and let us mesh the model. I will click the model. Now you can able to see that the model is imported. So in geometry, you can look after the models whichever applicable. You can able to see collar, bolt, fork, eye, and pin. And the material, we are going to consider everything as a structural steel. If we want, we can also change the material accordingly. So the model here is to analyze by applying a force of 50 kilonewton. So let us mesh this model. Let us click mesh, go to sizing, increase the resolution. Let me go for updating or generate mesh. So now you can able to see that the model is meshed properly. So one side, so even though we have a tensile load, one side we are going to apply it as a fixed support. Let us select fixed support, give one end as fixed support. I will select one of the face. You can able to see here and we click apply. Other face, we are going to apply a load of some values. Let me go to file, insert, we'll go for force. Let me click this end. Let me click apply. The force is 50 kilonewton, so which is 50 into 10 power 3, so which is 50,000 newton. So you can able to see the direction of the force is also showing in correct direction. So when you check, the direction is also in right position. So only thing is we have to go for solving the problem. So we need deformation plot and stress plot. So select these two plots. Let us solve the problem. So once the model is solved, you can able to see the stress developed on our knuckle joint. So you can able to see what is the stress, what is the maximum stress developed on the joint. So similarly, what is the maximum deformation occurred on it. We want to analyze what is the force applied on the bolt which is at the center. Let us go and select the bolt, right click and then go for hide all other bodies. So all the other bodies will be hidden, only the bolt which is center pin will be visible. So by selecting this, we can identify what is the stress developed on this particular bolt. So the bolt is having a stress of around 108.5 megapascal. So this is how you can able to analyze for a knuckle joint. Thank you.